Hi viewers, welcome to this video. Today we will learn how to change the background color in AutoCAD. Open AutoCAD after downloading and installing it. When the software opens, you will see the main interface. By default, the background may appear white. In some cases, it may already be dark. Since many users feel more comfortable working with a dark background, so let's change it. Go to the top left corner of the screen where you see a red A icon. Click on it, a menu will appear. Scroll down and select Options. In the Options window, change the color theme from light to dark. Next, under Display File tabs, go to the Colors option. Change the background color from white to black. Click Apply and Close. Finally, click OK. Now your AutoCAD background set to dark mode and you are ready to start working. Thank you.